told you, it's all about the pork today. All hail the pig. I swear to God, it's one of my favorite meats of all time. There's something about pork that is so wonderful. When you apply the right cooking techniques to it, the flavor profile of a pork could change so drastically. It's amazing. So thanks to the folks at Lion Brand, the guys at NFM, they have done a fry bake mix. So you know what I'm going to do? Because we're in Christmas mode, I am going to take ham, pork, and cheese and do a best of Christmas stuffed fry bake using Lion Brand fry bake mix. So for those of you who know, yeah, flour tends to intimidate me sometimes, and fry bakes is a thing that, I mean, you gotta have a little special hand to make a good fry bake, you know. But the fry bake mix makes it so easy. I want to use just about half of this pack of fry bake mix. Just about half. You could average. The thing about it, guys, no need to be intimidated. The instructions to do this is literally right on the pack. I am adding sugar, some salt, and you just kind of mix everything together. All the other ingredients for a perfect fry bake is right in this Lion Brand fry bake mix. To that, all you do is that you add about just a cup of water. What I like to do is add about a half cup and start getting my dough mixed in. You don't want to overmix to get that perfect dough. I like to feel it coming in. Mix again. Guys, just like that, your dough comes together. What you want to do is allow this to rest for just about 10 minutes. Allow it to poof up, and then you can start rolling out your fry bakes. So I just want to flour my board. So what I like to do, guys, because as I said, if you're not a professional fry bake maker, feel free to just kind of portion out your bakes. So like I have this one, I kind of like to do is to get nice even bakes. And then you form balls, right? I'm just gonna form all these balls, and then the fun part starts. I'm gonna stuff these fry bakes with ham, pork, and cheese to do a best of Christmas stuffed fry bakes. Yeah, you'll thank me on Boxing Day. So let's take our ham. I have some pork, so leftover pork. When you have your leftover pork, whatever you did with your pork over the holidays, you could just cut up some ends, and I'm adding some cheese directly to it. Now you can add it separately. What I found doing it this way is it's really easy now for all the ingredients to kind of just mix together nicely. The cheese, the pork. So when you stuff, you kind of get a little bit of everything happening in every bake. Cheese melts evenly. Just a little more cheese. Don't tell anybody. It's Christmas. Yeah? And that's your mix. The good thing with this, guys, is that you can do any leftovers. So if you had some turkey, you can throw in some turkey in there. Any type of leftover meat, some chicken. And you can stuff your fry bakes and take your fry bake to another level altogether. It's really that amazing. So, rolling pin. And you just want to roll your fry bake out as you would do any fry bake. What I want to do here, guys, to be honest, is get it just a little thinner than you probably will I'll show you why. So you roll it out like that. Nice heaping spoonful, and then you get it back together again. One of these things are not like the other. This one has stuffed ham, pork, and cheese. And you give it a nice roll. So you got to be a little gentle here now. But you give it a nice roll. Isn't that great? So I'll do one more and then we'll get to frying. Right, so let's go. In the oil, I have my oil very hot in a pan. So some people deep fry. I like to shallow fry. No more than about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Gotta keep watching it. Some big boys in here, but we gotta get them to fit. Another 2 or 3 minutes on that side. So guys, I truly do trust Lion Brand fry bake mix. It comes out perfect every single time. As I said, you're gonna thank me on Boxing Day when you have that leftover ham, leftover pork, leftover turkey. Stuff it with some cheese. Use Lion Brand fry bake mix. My best of Christmas stuffed fried bakes.